Welcome to another Mr. Cabinet Care video. Today we brought in the experts to talk about refacing.
Hi, my name is Sandy and I'm with Mr. Cabinet Care, and I'm with one of our senior designers today.
Hi, I'm Kevin Lester. Welcome.
Welcome. I get asked all the time, Kevin, and I'm sure you do in the home as well, can I reface my kitchen? Talk to us a little bit about refacing.
Yeah, so refacing is a great option if you like the kitchen, meaning that it's functional, you don't want to make a lot of changes. So if you like where your appliances are, you like the way the countertop is laid out, then refacing is a really great way to go. So with refacing, we do new doors, new drawer fronts, all new moldings up on top of the cabinetry, reface the sides and all the fronts, new drawer fronts, and the toe kick all get replaced. And then we install new drawer boxes, new glide system, so it'll look and function like brand new cabinetry without ripping everything out. And that's the common theme. A lot of clients are afraid of doing a full remodel. Refacing is a lot faster service in the home.
God, that's great.
Yeah.
How long does it take to do a reface?
So in the house, if we're doing refacing by itself, it takes about 4 to 6 working days from start to finish.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I also hear then too, is refacing less than remodeling?
Yeah, so it depends on what you're comparing it to, but refacing is about 30 to 50% less expensive than doing custom cabinetry. Now keep in mind, when you do refacing, you don't need to replace your countertops, you're not getting into backsplashes, you're not getting like plumbing, drywall. So as a whole, it definitely is a less expensive way to go.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah.
And then what are some of the materials that we can use when we do a reface?
So material-wise, we have a huge selection. So it really depends on what kind of look you're trying to go with. So if you want to go into, say, a white kitchen, you might use like maple wood or thermofoil, which is a great option for you. We have thermostructure, which is more like a textured laminate material. And then we go into our real woods, and we have cherry, alder, maple, oak, beechwood. We have 10 different stain colors we choose. We have custom stains. So the lists are endless.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Have an amazing day, guys.